Yes, Tom, can you make a little bit comment about this trip?
We've been traveling with Conservation International here to northern Sumatra, to Batan area, and I'm so impressed with what I've seen, the way Conservation International has put together this ecosystem of all the key players, local villagers, the district authorities, the business world, and by creating this ecosystem, they're finding a way to both preserve the environment and the forest and create a way for the local private interests to advance their economic goals, and at the same time for the villagers to raise their standard of living. I think it's a wonderful model that I hope can be replicated around the world by Conservation International and other people who are concerned about the environment.
Thank you. Thank you, Tom. Any things about Indonesian then? As you see, so many places, Bali and
well,
other places.
Indonesia is such a beautiful and diversity-rich country, and it's great to see a new generation of Indonesians growing up looking for how they can preserve their incredible country and at the same time advance their standard of living. And I think that's a great goal, and I'm really heartened to see the number of people here working on it.
Thank you. Thank you, Tom.